Hey guys, how's it going? Back to June 8th, 2020. And yeah, I don't know what exactly is going on. Yeah, I'd be curious later on if. Now, some things are loading. It's just kind of weird. Let me go to the main menu for a minute. If I go to Driver Surveyor. Other routes you may like. Now, see, there's a lot of stuff that's just not loading. And it's not my hard drive, it's not my process, so I don't think it's for me. But if it has a picture like this, where's it getting it from?
Yeah.
And it didn't do it at first either. It just all of a sudden started doing it.
Yeah.
Which is, I mean, it's okay, I suppose. Not really. But if I go to more content, it's just everything is like. But it knows which ones to do.
Yeah.
It knows which ones I own. See that? So I can do searches, okay. It's just the images for some reason just decided to.
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
And this purchase, what the hell is that?
30 bucks.
Like, does it know I'm logged in, maybe? Okay, so it knows I'm a passenger. I don't know what all that stuff is. Yeah, it's kind of bizarre. I've never seen that button. That's the only thing that concerns me. Now the hard drive is loading, so I don't know what the hell it's doing.
Not sure. It's kind of weird.
But if I go into any route, it's fine. It's just these little pick lists that suddenly, like if I go into view sessions, let me try just doing a quick drive here and see if everything else looks okay. Hard drive's going, but sometimes that does that, other times it doesn't.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just take a look at one other thing too, just in case. Okay, 1.6 gig on the C drive. That's not that great. Down to 39.6 on E drive. I gotta be careful with that too. And this it knows. Well, I shouldn't say that. Is it a little slow? I can't tell. But everything else, I mean, everything else zooms in fine. Oops, let me get rid of that for a minute. Like the icons are fine and everything. It was just that, for some reason, that image or whatever, like everything else is loading in fine.
There's someone.
I mean, it stuttered there for a second, but
I'm not sure. Kind of weird.
I mean, I'm loading a lot of tiles and I'm going fast, which is kind of normal. Hmm. You wait, what, dude?
Yep.
Yeah, that's kind of weird. I don't know what to think about that. So don't save, and everything's like it's not hanging as far as the processing. Now, Quick Drive came in with the screen. That should be coming from my system. So I look at yeah, and then it just came in.
Yeah.
But these pictures should not be online. These are my pictures.
Yeah.
So I don't know what to suggest there. Look, now everything's in. Okay. That's just bizarre.
Yeah.
I can't explain it. If I go to, was it more content? There's that purchase 29. Okay, that's probably because it's on that thing. Yeah, there's different things. My collection. And like I said, it is loading things. It's just I don't know what it's doing. I'm wondering. I did a reboot, a soft reboot. I don't know if I need a hard reboot or what. But anyways. Whoa. Well, that's my side. Yeah, okay, that's pretty much all my stuff except with a couple other things that didn't load. That was bizarre how that all of a sudden. Rolling stock. I don't know if I'm pushing some limits or what exactly happened, because I haven't really been downloading a hell of a lot. Or some type of database thing that I have to do. It's kind of weird. But anyways, well, we just wasted a long time on that, unfortunately. So, well, let me go back into what we were going to do real quickly here. Oh, yeah. Nope. Let's go back into... Sorry, guys. Just trying to get myself figured out here. So we'll go driver surveyor, Niagara. Loads everything really quick, so.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. I mean, you would expect it if it had like lag issues or something with the hard drive to load everything in quick.
Mm-hmm.
So it's got to be something with that. Could be a bug or something. I mean, it really could be absolutely anything.
I've never seen that do that. I've seen where the graphics take a little bit to load in. Like my hard drive light isn't even doing anything right now.
No, it barely is.
But, anyways. So, what I'll do is I'll go to Sheets Google again. That's interesting. Okay, never mind. That was my mouse wheel.
Yeah, that's that.
Okay. So unfortunately, I didn't get to see a picture of what I was looking for. And that's because I couldn't. It would never load a picture, would it?
Yeah, no, I don't think it would.
Which kind of defeats the purpose.
Yeah.
Well, I can go through the train and try to find out different things that I got. I don't know if we have DRPX or not. Well, if not, I can bring him in and see what the hell. That's kind of weird how it did that. Can I do a search with that? Can I use a search function that'll do that, or
I think you can.
really? Oh.
Enter, wait, I can't.
No, I don't have it. I'm in the session.
Oh, yeah, you can.
Okay.
I forgot.
Okay. No, that's fine. So I don't have those anyways. NCIX, Hopper, center flow.
I don't think that's something that we have.
Well, it's on to something right here.
That's just because it probably has those 4 letters in a row
Oh,
for some reason. Or something close to it.
that's weird. Just out of curiosity. Okay. Don't that. Well, it might have been the reporting marks. I didn't check.
Yeah.
I doubt it.
So,
So maybe what I'll do. I did want to experiment with something here. So, what do we have? A commodity picker or something like that?
yeah, something like that.
Alright, here we go. Okay. Select one of the available products. How the hell am I supposed to know what these are?
Yeah, I still don't quite understand that, and it's not every single product either. That's the worst part about it.
Well, it's the ones that we have, I think. But anyways,
Now we have one
so what's it picking?
I'm honestly not sure. I still haven't figured these out. I think it's to say, oh, you can only load with this, or oh, you can't load this with this, or something like that. Can't remember.
Click a wagon to restrict its load to tire recycling.
That means they can only do that. It doesn't actually load it. Which is weird.
How do I get the commodities to show up on the thing? I thought they showed. Capture screenshot. View details. It doesn't even say that really. Ah, okay. Hang on a second here. Find object. Consist trackside. Okay, never mind that. Unless I can find commodities. Metric interface, hide interface. I don't even know what the hell that is. Oh, I saw. Okay. Commodity overlays, always visible. So.
Yeah, that's how it should be. Commodity overlays means
Then,
it's loaded.
then how come it? How come it didn't? Oh, if it's loaded. Oh, okay. All right. All right. So, I can't restrict. What I'm thinking is if I can restrict the car. This is what I was going to do. Is I was going to bring some tanks down, and I was going to have the multi-industry.
Yeah.
And it would only load the certain commodity. Like you restrict the car to only load a certain commodity.
Yeah.
So I can't use commodity picker on that?
No. I mean, you could. I mean, that makes it so that it's only restricted to one thing.
That's what I wanted.
But even if it is restricted to one thing, I mean, it still doesn't work that well. Because then you can't have randomization. Every single time it will be the same train.
Oh, okay. Elevated temperature liquid. What the hell?
I still don't think that's right, because we've looked it up before and it was different. So I don't think so.
Okay, so let me just try. Let me try the commodity picker one more time. I thought you could search that or something. Yeah, you can. Can't you type it right up here?
Nope. That's not a search bar. And even if you did, it's only to restrict things to one thing.
Okay.
So it doesn't really work that well.
Okay, let me just click on.
There's another way to automatically load them, but still it's very, very hard. It's a very long hassle. What we have right now, or what we had, I can't remember if we still have it, was a lot easier. The whole automation thing was a lot easier. Because there's no way to automate clicking it every single time differently.
No, I understand that.
And also you'd have to randomize the cars and randomize the loads.
What I don't understand is why it's not showing up. Oh, it's because I've already set it to do whatever. Sulfuric acid. Like, is this all the particular commodities? This for that tank?
Honestly not. No, it's not just for that tank. It's just stuff.
It's stuff.
I mean, we have more stuff though. I know we have more stuff.
Yeah, I know. I don't. That's what I don't get. Click the wagon to prevent the loading of any products.
I know I have more stuff. I'm not sure if you have more stuff. I think so. It just makes it so that it can only load something or can't load it. So, yeah, it's pretty much useless. It doesn't load anything, and even if it did load something, it'd be extremely inefficient. And I prefer automation.
See, that won't let the 20-foot containers in there. No, I understand what you're saying about automation, Emmett. I get that.
Yeah, it's a lot easier. Heck of a lot easier.
What do you mean? What are you saying?
Well, because
what are you proposing?
I propose we do the same thing that we already had. I think it's a lot easier. And also it simulates how much time it takes to switch it and this and that.
Yeah, but I don't want to simulate Toronto.
No, it's not necessarily simulating Toronto. It could also simulate things that are late. It can simulate.
No, I get that part, but I understand that. Don't worry, I don't want to pick. I'm not picking it. What I want to do is be able to run the trains a little bit quicker over to a certain industry without having to go like crazy. You know what I mean?
I still don't get what you mean by that. Because it's not quicker at all.
To go to a multi-industry, if you select the commodity ahead of time, it doesn't seem like I'm able to do it anyways.
Selecting the commodity ahead of time just doesn't help at all. It changes nothing. It just makes it so that you have to do something.
All right. So, what I have to do then, this whole going around in a circle, there's way too many commodities. So,
I think you should make a giant yard, and every single track has one commodity. And then basically, you have one train that goes in on, like, say there's 2 or 3 tracks with no commodities.
All right.
And you place him down there, and then slowly he breaks off the train. But we'd have a bunch of different possibilities for the train, but only one spawns.
Okay.
Per every 24 hours.
All right. Hold on. So, do I want to try a stub end?
What do you mean by stub end?
Stub end yard. It means it goes this way, and then I start loading the cars in.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
All right.
But it would have a lot of tracks. A track
I understand.
per every single commodity.
I understand that.
That is a lot.
So, elevated temperature liquid. I have no idea what that is.
I still don't think that's correct.
Okay. All right. Well, let's find out. Let's find out.
It's 3257.
I know. I was doing this chemical code 3257. Elevated temperature liquid. Is it the hot things? I don't know. Yeah, I know. I usually get.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
All right. Well, here. Let me. So let me start by. Tell you what. Let's put in some track here. Blah 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 blah. Oh, I'm losing it. Oh, I'm not in it. Duh. Okay. Let's exit driver. I'm not going to save it. How's this thing working now? I'm just curious. That part's fine.
What the heck do we have a European blanket?
It's just because that was the last thing we logged on to.
By the way, I found some UP units and some BNSF units for you. I don't know, a while ago, and I downloaded them for you because you didn't have any that were good. So
Yeah.
I found some.
Don't be downloading too much for me because especially if I'm going to start running into problems
Honestly,
like this.
I downloaded maybe 3 things. I've downloaded maybe 3 things for you because really that's all you need.
This I got a funny feeling this has something to do with the internet too, but maybe it's trying to load this in background.
There is a high possibility it's something to do with our internet because it is crap.
No, the internet's fine. I've been seeing servers, a lot of servers in a lot of different places go down today for some reason, which means the backbone could be having issues.
Yeah, I did hear about that.
Well, that's what I was just trying to look for, so I don't know if it's true or not. But anyways, we got 20 minutes. I just want to experiment with this here. So I'll go into driver surveyor. But that doesn't explain why ours isn't loading. The only thing I can explain to that is it's trying to load other things still in the background. But, like other routes you may like and stuff like this, but like why it doesn't show that there is doesn't make any sense to me. That's just bizarre. I don't know if it's a database or... Okay, well anyways, I'm not going to worry about it right now. I'm going to have to start backing up my route pretty soon. because I get worried when I start seeing stuff like this. I'll have to get another memory stick.
Yeah.
Or clear off the memory stick I have. See, it's not even well, that could be because I went into something else. But anyways, let's go into driver surveyor. Let's go into, I guess, if that's what my route is. Okay. So, go to Toronto. Is that Toronto or is that? Yeah. All right. So this thing's just like a lead, and it's not going anywhere.
I think we were using it for lumber at one point or something.
All right.
Yeah. But basically, what I'm thinking is a giant yard.
Yeah, I get that, Emmett.
Giant.
Yes, I get that. Oops. So I want to do. I want to get into multi-industry liquids. No.
Multi-industries, you don't need that. You can use BI3 and BI2 as well.
I have to download BI3.
You have some of them. Or at least I think you have BI2.
I want BI3.
BI3 and BI2 basically do the exact same.
No, they don't.
And there's your BI3 plastics, BI3 wooden lumber. Yeah, basically with BI3 and BI2, just download everything. BI2 is good. I can confirm it's good.
Ethanol, biodiesel. Well, see, I don't have the liquids.
Oh, yeah, you have liquids.
Plastics.
Yeah, that has some liquids and stuff.
It doesn't have what I need.
Vegetable oils has like corn sweetener and stuff.
Yeah, I know.
Petroleum stuff, I assume.
Let me go in the multi-industry for now.
Chemicals extended.
Huh?
Chemical expanded. It's a big one. Fuel extended.
That's the difference between BI2 and BI3. BI3 you can use a smaller track.
Sulfuric acid. Ammonia, LNG, LPG.
This is why multi-industry is better, because sometimes you want to find other stuff.
Yeah,
but nothing. Huh?
Hard to set up. A lot harder to set up.
I know, but sometimes you don't have what you need. Ammonia.
Lights are also that we have a lot of. I'm sure.
That's all there is.
Yeah, it's a lot.
It's not a lot.
That's a lot. That's basically almost every chemical that we have.
Well, no, it's not.
That is pretty close.
No, it's not.
That is a lot of them. I'm not even joking.
Oh, you can say whatever you want, Emmett. The first one I was looking at isn't there.
Okay, well, good luck finding almost
That's why you go with
Chemicals.
Amet. That's why you go with multi-industry.
Multi-industries don't have that.
Multi-industry.
Multi-industry only has the base game stuff.
The multi-industry, you can set up anything.
Yes, but you don't have all those chemicals.
You get them.
Good luck.
What do you mean get good luck?
It's hard to find chemicals.
No, it's not.
There is not that many on there.
Whatever. We have a bunch already. So let's see what we have in this thing here. I'll start with those. So there's ammonia. Did we have that in there?
Yep.
Okay, I'm not too sure.
2055, you can look that up.
Yeah, it's called flammable.
So that could be nitrogen.
Right. $11.14. I can't remember what that is.
1114. Oh, I should remember that.
Okay, so let me see the ammonia one. Okay. See if it's in that industry that you want to use.
There it is right there.
Okay.
And there's also another type, there's anhydrous ammonia as well, which is 1005.
I forget how to set this up. Consume.
You just say produce, and that's your rate. And that's all you have to do. That's rate per, at the top it will say how often that rate goes. So it's how many per minute or how many per second, I can't remember what it actually is.
Produce rate. So
Probably want it to be high, because it's like 9,000. So if it's 10 cards or something like that.
whoa. How about 10,000 then? I don't know.
Honestly, it can be as high as it really wants to.
Yeah, I understand it. External. Where's that go to? Does that go to his?
Not sure.
Okay. Oh, it goes to a different industry or whatever. Okay. Okay, so what is an ammonia? Oh, 1005?
No, ammonia. There's anhydrous ammonia, which is 1005.
It's 1005.
Okay, then it's anhydrous ammonia, which is even more specific, which is also in there. 1005 is specifically anhydrous ammonia. There's ammonia, and then there's anhydrous ammonia.
Okay. Anhydrous ammonia?
Yep. It's on here as a green looking thing.
Okay, so I'll put that back to 0.
Yep. It's further down. There it is.
Okay, produce initial value. I don't know how many zeros there are. Ah, crap. I'll do 1,000,000.
Ha! That's the initial, by the way. You don't read that out.
Yeah, I know.
The initial doesn't need to be high at all. So.
Whatever.
I just gotta go to the washroom if you don't mind me any like.
Uh-huh. Couldn't wait 9 minutes?
Nah, I have to go to the washroom.
Okay. I'll mute the mic so you can pee. Hold on a second. Okay, sorry guys. Shithead here. So, one chemical data sheet. I don't know what the hell this is. Flammable. What? That's all it means?
I mean, that's kind of confusing. It's kind of broad.
Oh, okay.
Styrene monomer.
Okay, so what was the other one then?
It's styrene.
Yeah, I get it. Styrene monomer. That's
Well,
interesting.
monomers used in a lot of chemical names.
Okay.
I'm not sure why. I have to do research on that.
So, whoops.
Styrene monomer.
Let's find out what the other one was then.
I'll just slap that in my head. 3257?
3257, yep.
It's hot. It could very well be asphalt.
I bet you this isn't going to give. This is only going to give me 2000s, right?
2000 to 2100.
Elevated temperature liquid.
Molten metals, molten salts.
Molten metals, molten salts, etc.
So it's most likely.
Could be a molten metal or a molten. I don't know what the hell it is.
I mean, it's hard to say.
Right. We don't know what a half this crap is going to be when we see it go by.
And most of it goes to the U.S.
Well, I don't know if it's empty. That's the other thing is
Yeah, we don't
whether
know if
it's
it's empty, or
empty.
if it's full, or.
Well, we're not going to get to
hard
test
say.
this today, unfortunately. I might be able to test
the
it later.
real way to know is to try to open the can. I'm kidding. That's
What's
insane.
114? Oh, now I got to go back to. Oh my god. I'll get to it. 1114.
Yep, 1114 is.
You don't know until I put it.
Benzene.
Benzene.
Yes.
Do we have benzene
I can't remember. We may have benzene.
on that thing?
I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure because I have more than you do. I always forget that.
Yeah, though.
That's a procedural industry. That's not industry. Oh, you're in track. You're in track mode. That's why. You have to go to building mode. Then question mark.
I am question mark.
There may be benzene in here. I can't remember. It's in one of them though. I'm pretty sure. Molten crude form sulfur.
Molten.
And also there's also titanium in a molten form as well. That's further up.
But molten. Remember the one we were just
Yes.
seeing? So maybe it is molten.
Hydrogen peroxide, glycerol, hydrous hydrogen, ethylene. No. So it doesn't have benzene.
Like I said, there's tons of them,
I know.
which is why you go with multi-industry.
I know there's reasons to go with multi.
Yes.
But there's also reasons to use that. So
Oh, there's
use
reasons to go
both.
that. Yeah, but then you don't know what's what.
It doesn't really matter.
No,
As long as it loads your train, it doesn't matter.
as long as it loads my train, it doesn't matter.
Yes.
Well, if I can get a plaque card or whatever, but I know what you mean. I don't know if I can get a plaque card for a lot of these cars too. That's the other thing. So
Some of them. Some of them don't. It's hard to.
yeah, okay.
I think we should only use cars with plaque cards. That's my personal opinion. But we'll have to
Cars
do
with
research.
plaque cards?
Yeah, it's hard to find.
Yeah. Okay.
But cars with plaque cards look so cool.
Mhm.
So cool.
Well, hold on a second before I end this. Isn't there? What do? I go into a setting for the car.
You don't have any cars now. And you don't go into settings for cars. Oh, are you trying to load one?
Hang on. Let me save this for a minute. So
Trying
if
to
I
load a car.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, I want to be able to change. You should be able to change the settings on the car. Oops. Am I in the
What
driver?
do you mean by setting?
Because each car has a setting. Like the box cars where you open them and all that other crap.
Yeah, open and close, hopper
Yeah.
days, I understand what you mean. I don't think tanks have any.
Yes, they do. Because there's some that you have. You can put different plaques on them. Not.
Oh no, that just does it automatically. That's completely automatic. If it detects a chemical that it recognizes, it's completely automatic. I wish I had every single chemical and whole database down in there. That would be so great. That's lumber. That's different.
So what do I do? Do I usually have to do control right on it, or?
You have to go into train edit mode. And then question mark. And then hit it. And then there you can load it. Stuff. Do stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. See, that's what that can load with, but properties, I'm not sure what it does. Vehicle properties, it does.
Well, I have.
Oh
There's.
yeah, you can always change the running number on stuff too. So that's.
What do you mean
fun.
Oh yeah, I'm not worried about that.
Yeah. You can change it. You can change it. You can change it to be funny. You can also spell
Okay.
stuff in there.
All right. Well, maybe I'll try playing around with the cars and then see which ones do what. But, anyways, I'll have to do that later on. So that's it for now, guys. Sorry for all the confusion, but it is what it is. So I'll exit the game for now. Didn't get far. What else is new? So yeah, I'm gonna hold off on the live streams for a while because I got a long ways to go. Unfortunately. Yeah, just to get these cars the way I want, and
Wow, that looks very pixely.
yeah, well, who knows? Restart your computer meant help. Restart your computer meant help. I restarted my computer. I gotta do a cold boot probably, but anyways, okay then. That's all for now. Have a good one. Talk to you later.